Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out a Moka pot. A Moka vintage pot which was made in the 1980s or early 90s. This is an Italian design and we're going to be trying it out. I bought it at a vintage sale for about $5, but currently on eBay or Pinterest they go for around $60 to $100 US. The pot is a simple three-piece design. We have the nozzles, the filter basket, and the reservoir. Now we're going to go ahead and brew a double shot of espresso. First we're going to pour the water into the reservoir. Next, we place the filter basket in. Make sure it's well tamped. Next, we put the nozzles on. Since this is about 40 years old, the gasket is worn out, so there's probably going to be some pressure leak, but it's still usable. Now we place it on the burner. We place our cup under the nozzles, and we start the burner. Done, we can enjoy our espresso.